With over 1,000 social media comments pouring in, HGTV star Leslie Davis absolutely blindsided her loyal fan base this week with an unexpected engagement announcement. She casually dropped the news about her new fiancé, Don Rady, but the real bombshell? Turns out, Leslie had been secretly divorced from her ex-husband, Jacob Davis, for years, keeping the entire split a closely guarded Hollywood secret. According to an exclusive blog post, Leslie revealed they quietly separated in 2022, with court documents, scooped by TMZ, confirming the divorce was finalized just this year. She candidly explained her reasons for the dramatic secrecy, stating it was all to protect their 3 sons, Kyler, Cash, and Cole, and make co-parenting smoother, a truly challenging feat for an HGTV personality. Fans were left reeling, questioning how such a major life event could remain under wraps, especially given Jacob's past appearances on *unsellable houses. Yet, Leslie insists that, despite the personal upheaval, she and Jacob now share a new kind of love, becoming the best teammates and supporting each other's new adventures. It's a fascinating look into the lengths celebrities go to for privacy, even as their lives unfold in front of millions. This is the kind of behind-the-scenes drama our channel lives for. So if you're hooked on all the secret splits and surprise engagements of Hollywood, make sure to subscribe and never miss another shocking reveal.
That's all for now. Subscribe for your daily dose of Hollywood entertainment.